Hello there, fourth dimension by Trading Time. Sean here. This is the Monday update on the usual markets. So we'll begin with energy. Oil gapped lower. It's a fairly regular pattern that Captain Taco reverses whatever he said on a Friday over the weekend, so all his friends can make a lot of money. And Nat gas has just edged higher. So we'll begin with Brent. Can see that gap lower. We have 83.68, just a little bit below, and then 80.67. Key support 74.56. On the short-term chart, we have 81.55 and 80.67 below. But even though we gap lower, none of the other levels have really changed. Moving on to WTI. We did gap lower, but we filled the gap. So there's a big difference between WTI and Brent. The reason for that is that Brent opens, I think it's about an hour later than WTI on a Sunday night. We have 82.57 above, 77.78 below. And of course, the really big support zone at 73.20 to 88. Also, if we don't take out 108.27, which is a very, very long way away, then a weekly resistance is going to move down to 93.50 and become more powerful. On the short-term chart, a zone below at 78.43 to 77.78, 81.06 above, and then a big zone from 86.94 to 88.87. On the profile, we're pretty much at the point of most time, pretty close to 79.10, so no change there. But of course, new week, new levels. First deviation up 85.12, first deviation down 73.99, and we also of course have a new month. So the first deviation up 88.47 and below 73.63. For those that have been trading the Septex spread, then we're actually still in it, and there's no change. Keep your stop to a daily close below 4.24. Resistance, or the final resistance that's close, is at $12.65. Nat gas up on the day, but nothing's changed historically. But on the short-term chart, we have got a small change. So people who are short can change their stop to a daily close above 2.81. So the oil trend is sideways, and I said it at the middle of last week. I think at the moment we just leave this market alone. At some point it's going to give us a good clue, but at the moment we're just chopping around and causing people pain. However, on the Septex spread, keep your stop to a daily close below 4.24. Nat gas trend is down, and shorts raise the stop a little bit to a daily close above 2.81. Supports and resistances: D for daily, W for weekly, M for monthly, POMT for the point of most time.